Want to improve your English skills? Then you're in the right place. This video is all about giving you 5 actionable tips to boost your English language proficiency. Whether you're just starting out or you're aiming for fluency, these strategies will help guide you on your language learning journey. English is a widely spoken global language. Improving your English skills can open doors to personal, academic, and professional growth. It's a tool that can help you communicate more effectively and understand different cultures more deeply. One of the most effective ways to learn any language, including English, is by speaking it. Speaking practice is where your learning meets real-world application. You can join conversation clubs, participate in language exchange programs, or simply start a chat with a native speaker about a topic of interest to you. Listening is another critical part of language acquisition. It helps improve your comprehension and pronunciation. You can immerse yourself in the language by watching English movies, TV shows, or listening to podcasts. Exposure to different accents and speech patterns through various media sources can be particularly beneficial. Reading in English can significantly expand your vocabulary and enhance your grammar skills. It might be a good idea to start reading English books, articles, or newspapers that align with your interests. Whether it's novels, short stories, or news articles, there's a wealth of reading material out there to suit different proficiency levels. Writing practice is another way to reinforce your English language skills. Keeping a journal, participating in online writing forums, or composing essays, emails, or blog posts in English can help you improve. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, or Babbel can be convenient tools for self-study. These can help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation through interactive exercises and quizzes. So, to recap, speak, listen, read, write, and use language learning apps. These are your 5 keys to improving your English skills. Incorporate these strategies into your language learning routine, and you'll see progress in your English proficiency. Believe in yourself and remember that with consistent practice and dedication, you can achieve your language learning goals. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and resources. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering the English language. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.